sometimes when you like a post, other people or your friends can see the post that you liked. So how do you make sure that people don't see the post that you have liked? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this. Before I continue, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump to my phone and let me show you how you can hide likes you have made on Instagram. Let's go. Right, first of all, open up your Instagram app. Now, previously, I have another video like this, which is a couple months ago, gotten quite a lot of views, but I've noticed the UI and UX, the design have changed even for me as well. So let me show you the new and updated one. So first of all, click on the bottom right, which is your profile picture. Then click on top right, the menu, the three lines, which is the burger icon. And then you scroll down, you should be able to see here who can see your content. Click on Activity in Friends tab. And there, you can see here who can see your likes and comments on Reels in the Friends tab. You can click on followers you follow back or no one. So there's only 2 options here compared to the last one where you have 3 to 4 options. Okay, so yeah, so that's how easily you can hide the likes you've made on Instagram. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.